So good evening everyone. In the last session we discussed about functions in JavaScript. So functions are of three types. One is named function, other one is anonymous function, another one is arrow functions. So these named function means function which is having some name is called as named function. Is it clear? Function will get executed when we call it. Function is used to write some logic. Is it clear? If you want to write any logic, we'll declare some function. So anonymous functions means declaring a function without giving any name is called as anonymous function. Okay. So in JavaScript, anonymous function, in jQuery or JavaScript, anonymous function will play the major role. Is it clear? These anonymous functions are simple like normal variables only. In jQuery, every function is anonymous function only. Let us see first how to work with anonymous function in JavaScript, and then we'll shift to JavaScript. Is it clear? We discussed in the last class, we discussed about declaring a function. Syntax to declare a function, function name, bracket open, bracket close. And the syntax to call the function is function name of, because function will get executed when we call it. Is it clear? So anonymous functions are called as nameless functions. Anonymous function means declaring the function without any name is called as anonymous function. Declaring a function without any name is called as anonymous function. Is it clear? So you don't have any function names in jQuery. Directly we'll declare a function without having any name. So here the syntax to declare function is function, bracket open, bracket close. That's it. Normal, this is named function. Giving the name for the function is named function. Anonymous function means declare a function without having any name is called as anonymous function. Is it clear? We have to assign, and here anonymous functions are simply used like a normal variables only. We have to assign the anonymous function to JavaScript variable, that is the result of the function will get executed. The result of the function will store in variable. For example, if I declare where sum is equal to, here I will try to declare one function. Okay na? And here this function will take two inputs x comma y, and here in this function I will try to return or simply you can print some document dot write of x plus y. Is it clear? So how to call the function? By using this variable name of, here you can give the input value 6 comma 3. This is called anonymous function, very powerful function in our jQuery. Okay, so let us do a small example. I'll open my Visual Studio. Let us open our Visual Studio, go to new project. Today evening we have, so here you can go to Solution Explorer. You can see the Solution Explorer. There you can see the project name. So here right click on the project. Add HTML page. Here you can select add. Okay na? Here you can add the HTML page. Rename the page as index.html. Click on add button. Okay. So here I'll try to declare one function. Anonymous function means function without having any name is called as anonymous function. Always write the JavaScript code inside script tag. Script type is equal to text/JavaScript. Okay, and here I will try to declare one function where sum is equal to, I will try to write one function without having any name, and here I will try to pass two input parameters, something like x comma y, and here I will try to print document.write of x plus y. Document.write means it is used to print the statement on the browser, and here I will try to call the function sum of 6 comma 3. Okay, now once press F5 and check the output. So directly declare a function without having any name and assign the function to the variable. And in JavaScript, we will consider the functions as variables only. And the result of the functions will be stored in the variable. Did you understood? So declaring a function without having any name. Why to you can have one doubt, sir, why to declare a function? Here I got the output 9 you see. You can ask me, sir, in what scenario will declare anonymous function means? Generally, I told you in the last video that the function will get executed depending on the user interaction. User will interact with the form. Then the functions must get invoked. In that scenarios, we'll use what? This anonymous function. Is it clear? At the time of developing the application, mostly we'll work with anonymous function only. Here, for example, if I try to write something like return x plus y. Return means after executing this function will return some output. No, that output will be stored in one variable. So here again you take one variable called var s. So here what is happening? First of all, right hand side the function will be invoked and this function will execute, and the result of the function is 6 plus 3, that is 9. So 9 is stored in s. So here I will try to print what? Yes. Did you understand? This is your same anonymous function. Store the result of the function another variable and print the yes. This is here you got the 9. Okay. In jQuery, if you work with jQuery, how you will work with jQuery? Here you can go to your here you see, go to your solution explorer, add new folder, rename the folder as scripts, and here within this scripts I will try to add the jQuery file. Right click, add existing item, go to your desktop. Okay na? There you can see one jQuery file is already downloaded. You can watch in the previous videos. There you can see jQuery 3.5.mini.js. Okay na? And here you can drag and drop the jQuery file in the script tag. Drag and drop jQuery file in the script tag. And here within the jQuery, here you can write $document. Okay, here you can write $. Here I'll write document.write. Sorry, document.ready of. Now here you see in jQuery always you write the code inside the function. So this is one anonymous function. That's it. Okay na? Now here in this function you have to write the code. So document.ready is the default function. Is it clear? I am function, something like this. So by default, generally in jQuery, events are also considered as functions only. As I told in the last video, whenever browser sends a request to the server, HTML page will be loaded in the browser. Once when the HTML page is loaded in the browser, then static DOM is ready. Once when the DOM is ready, then automatically document.ready function will get executed. This is the default. Every time this document.ready will get executed. Once when document.ready will execute, it will invoke this anonymous function. This is the anonymous function. So whatever the code you write inside this particular function, that code will get executed. Here you can write where x is equal to 10. Here you can write where y is equal to 20. Here you can write where z is equal to x plus y. Here you can print the output alert of something like alert of, here I will print sum is plus z, something like that. Is it clear? Now here by default I pressed F5. When I pressed F5, request is going to the server, searching for this file index.html. Searching for index.html. Now index.html page will be loaded in where? Browser. When index.html page is loaded in the browser, the document object is created, and then automatically jQuery will automatically execute this one document.ready. This document.ready will check whether the static DOM is ready or not. If the static DOM is ready, you have to write the code inside this function. No, that code will execute. You cannot directly write the code inside the ready function. See, if you write like this, it will not work, because always you have to write the code inside the function only. Okay na? Ready is not ready is working like an event actually here. If you want to write any logic, you write inside the anonymous function only. So here I think you understood about how to work with anonymous function. In the next video, I will discuss about arrow function. Okay na? Thank you.